Good morning. Today is Friday, December 22, 2023, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 22, 2023, Friday. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for December 22, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Friday, December 22, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.